Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher at Conservatory of the Ozarks. Just sitting here all by myself. Too bad there's no student to help me with this video.
There it is now.
Presto!
Yep.
It's
Adish, the magnificent.
It's Adish the Magnificent. So today, Adish is going to do a little tutorial on how to play
Backwards
centuries. I don't think he shows it backwards on the video though. Just looks backwards. And so he's come up with an arrangement of it that's simplified for a small child's hands. So the first chord he has to play is an E minor chord. So can you show them? Oops, where do you put?
Both ones? Or
Just show them where do you put your left hand for the E minor chord.
Okay.
So it goes in C position, and then you put.
And your middle finger goes down.
On an
And the
E.
right hand is this. Wait. Yeah.
So show them one more time. Left hand goes. Oh, C position is there. You go. So you play an E.
1,
2, and then if you put it together, you have 2, 3, 4. Right. So that's pretty easy. And then the next chord he has to play is a G chord. And so for the left hand, you play.
So the G chord is still in C position, and you play with your thumb.
Good. And what does the right hand have to do?
The right hand, the right hand, you skip, you take your thumb and go to the next key. So on the board, the middle 3 that's right here, you put your hand on the second one of that. There are 4 there, so you play the second one with play the second one always, no matter what you play it.
And
So
then just move your thumb.
you just move your thumb up from where it was. See?
Good. And so if you put your left hand.
Like right.
And then you move your.
This is an E. This is a G.
Yeah.
This is a. And this is a E. This is a G.
So show them how you put the G chord together. Left, right, left, right. Oops.
No. Why am I doing this wrong?
So that's the G chord. Pretty easy. And so if you start at the beginning
Give
with
me 1,000 likes. I am begging you.
So if you start with the E chord and then go to the G chord, what does that look like?
Please subscribe.
Subscribe to Conservatory of the Ozarks.
No, my channel. No, Conservatory of the Ozarks.
Do you have your own channel?
My mom and dad do. That's a good channel still.
Yeah. Okay, so put your.
Do not look at it.
So where do you put your hands and show them how you do E and then G, all in a row.
So
E, 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 G.
see, you do this together,
2, 3, 4,
and then you skip one, and then you do your thumb where it is, and you play your thumb, and then you skip one. You go to the next key, and then you do this. Play your thumb, you do the key. Play your thumb, you do the key.
And then what comes next after G?
C.
How does that one go?
The C is your pinky. And for the right hand, it is you have 3 skipped. You're at that place where you always play, and then when you have to go to the where the two keys are, you have to go to the end. Just like this. I'll put that together all in a row now. Please listen. This is important if you play this song. Okay, so... Now coming to G.
And then comes the tricky part.
A minor.
So we have a minor chord and the harmonic rhythm speeds up. So you only play the chord one time.
Put your thumb where your thumb is.
Remember, don't move the rest of your fingers. Just
Where your thumb is.
show them like close up.
Where your thumb is, you move it one.
So don't move your whole hand.
Yeah.
Because then your hand will be out of place.
And then for the right hand, you do this. So don't listen to other people.
Don't listen to other people.
Yeah, don't. I'm the best person who knows this.
You're the Centuries expert.
Yeah.
Do you love Fall Out Boy? Or just Centuries?
I like the song Centuries, I only like 3 of their songs.
Well, that's a lot.
I have like 20 million.
So show, how do you do the A minor chord?
So you do this, you put your thumb where I just told you, so you tap that, you only do 1 beat for this. And then you skip, remember I told you that you always play this key? Don't play that this time. You only play these 2 keys. Can you show them? These 2. Leaving out the middle key and the 2 of these.
So you ended like this, and then you leave your thumb.
Yeah.
Remember, you leave
you go to the 2 in the middle, and then you leave the middle one, play that. Like, I'll play it in a row now. How is that wrong?
So just try finding your spot. So take your foot off the...
Oh.
Yeah.
Here's A minor.
Your thumb. Yeah. Good. And you only play it...
1 time.
And so then you have to switch very
The D
quickly.
is really hard.
Oh, and you have to go to it so fast.
And these keys, you always start from here and never change your position. You always stay in these keys. On this, and so you only stay on this key, this key, this key, this key, this key, and this key.
Well, you don't need B for the left hand.
No, this is the A minor one.
This is A minor.
Okay, don't use this key.
That one, yeah. That's a bonus key for this song.
Yeah, don't use this key. Now, the D is the hard part. So, you do this. You play the second, you play this key. Play this key, and this is going to be the tricky part. So, you do the middle of those 2, like in the A minor, you do the middle one, and then you do this the first 3 black, the first out of these 3 black keys. Do this one. So I'll play it in a row now. D's coming. The D just came. It only gets 1 beat like the A minor.
And then what happens after D?
You start all over again.
And so, why don't you show how the progression goes? If you just play it a few times in a row, it just keeps repeating.
Yeah, just repeat.
So why don't you show them and like say the chord name so they can hear how it progresses. So
okay.
starting with
E
minor. Oopsies.
What?
E minor.
E minor. It's okay. I'll start now. E minor. E minor. E minor. E minor.
And then G.
G. G. G. G.
C.
C. C. C. A minor. A minor. D.
D. And then start over again with E minor. E minor. E minor. E minor. G. 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 Oop.
Oh. G.
G. C. 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 A. Great job. And so now.
And always remember to move your hand when you repeat it. Always remember to move your A minor, because mine sometimes gets stuck
Or
there.
your thumb for your left hand.
Yeah, and you play that one for the G, and then you get messed up.
So show them. So you put your left hand.
I do this sometimes. So you play G. I sometimes do this. Look. But no, like this. I get messed up on that too. Don't get messed up with this and this.
Bless you.
Start over. So the G just came up. Now look what'll happen.
Stretch your thumb. Put your thumb back.
Yeah.
Because
Look what happens now. See, this is what happens.
And it's
This
like,
is the wrong key.
no.
It's actually supposed to be this. You recognize the tune.
Gotta remember to go.
See, this gets high. This is lower. This gets higher.
Mm-hmm.
So you'll recognize the tune.
Okay, so now once you can play the whole chord progression just like Adish can do,
Mm-hmm.
then you can sing the lyrics while you play the chords. So why don't you show them how it goes together? So first you have to play an introduction, and Adish will show you how to do that. You just play
So I
the
play
chord
this whole
progression.
thing?
Mm-hmm. Play it and sing it with repeats so they can hear how the whole thing sounds.
I have to sing it too?
I can help you sing it, but you should sing it too. They want to hear how you sound.
Okay.
So keep your feet flat on the floor. 2, 3, 4. Don't go too fast.
Some legends are told, some turn to dust or to gold. Wait. Remember me.
See.
Remember me for centuries. Just one mistake is all it will take. History. Remember me for centuries.
Okay. G.
Remember me for centuries.
Some. Do the repeat. Some legends are told.
Dust or too cold, we will remember me. Remember me for centuries. Just one mistake is all it will take. No,
There you go.
it's all it will take. Go down in history. Remember me for centuries. Hey, hey, hey.
And that's the end.
Bye-bye. Follow boy, please subscribe.
Please
If you see this
subscribe.
on
Whoa.
your channel, or if you search it up your song.
Yeah, you can practice with Adish's
I'm
tutorial.
a little kid, please.
And then you can play Centuries just as good as he can.
Yeah,
Maybe.
don't mess
Maybe.
up. That's the most important part.
It's okay if they mess up. As long as they keep going, right?
Yeah.
It's probably okay.
Just try your best.
Thumbs up for Adish, yeah!